I'm watching you, Trixie. Yeah. She's snatching my stuff over here. I'm trying to get ready for a cracker, and she took a bracelet from me. Let's see, she took... Where is it? I can't find it. Oh, there she is again. I don't think so, Trixie. I don't think so. Stop snatching stuff from me. It's not yours. It's not yours to take. I don't even know what else she took. Yeah, you. I didn't think she would bother me with this. Let's see. I'm trying to find my bracelet. Hey, Lizzie! No! Get those back to me! Trixie! Knock it off! Yeah, you. Hey, give it. No. You're snatching. Hey, give that. Oh, did she get something from me? No. You cannot have that. Knock it off. Seriously, knock it off. Did you take something else from me? I'm still trying to find that bracelet. Let's see. This is the bracelet that she snatched from the chair. I mean, it does have a little chickie on it.
Yep. She thinks it's something to play with.